Explain in terms of the behaviour of particles how, firstly, increasing the concentration of a reactant changes the rate of reaction, and secondly, increasing the temperature changes the rate of a reaction. So, what we have to know is for a reaction to occur, two things must happen. Two things must happen. One, particles must collide. If the particles don't collide, they ain't never gonna react. Two, the collision must have enough energy. Okay, so whenever we look at how something speeds up or slows down the rate of reaction, it's going to affect either one or two, or possibly even both. But we have to argue the change around these things. So increasing concentration. If you increase the concentration, okay, you increase the number of particles. Increase number of particles. If we increase the number of particles, we are changing the number of collisions. More particles, more collisions. You get more crashes on the road during the rush hour because there's a higher concentration of cars on the road. So increased concentration, increased number of particles equals increased number of collisions equals faster rate. So you'll need to write that into a sentence. Secondly, temperature. If we increase temperature, so high temperature, say increase the temperature, we have particles moving more rapidly equals particles moving more rapidly. Now you could argue this on either one or two. If particles are moving more rapidly, they're going to collide more often. That has an effect. The one that has a bigger effect, though, is the collisions have more energy. If the particles are moving more quickly, then the collisions have more energy. If the collisions have more energy, then more of them are going to be successful, so the reaction is faster. Again, write that into a sentence. All these questions on aylsham-high-chemistry.com.